Hey, you two, welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. These are some of the characters from Raya, the Disney movies. So let's go ahead and unbox this. As you can see, this is from Target. So let's go ahead and show you guys. Hopefully the invoice not in there. So this one is the Disney Raya and the Last Dragon. Here's the barcode. When the lands of Kumandra are threatened, Raya has to find the last dragon, and together they must save their world. And this one's by Hasbro. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this up. It's kind of hard to open. This is a seal. And this one is very hard to open it up. How got the sword. It's a vest for the Raya. Got the cape. Then the hat. And the hair. Wow. I don't know why they do it like this. So hard to open it up. So I need to use a scissor to cut this string out. So right here is the sword. Make sure you move the hair out of the way. It's gonna cut. Here's a hat. So I'm probably the longest unboxing ever. Oh my god, the hair is what's going on with the hair. Oh my goodness. It's another end right here I need to clip off. We should move the hair out of the way. Then there you go, guys. So the head moves, turns. You see the arm. The arm moves up and down. And this is her braided hair. God, what's that thing in there? Oh my goodness. I'm not gonna cut that thing so close. So you could remove the cape. There's another zip tie right there, so this one doesn't have zip tie, so easy to open. Wow, we need to take out the red one because it's I need to cut that the clear zip tie right there. In order to put this on. And then there you go. You could put this one on too. Looks so small. Then you could put on her hat. Like that. Alright? Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in the comments down below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always. Yeah. Peace.